If you want to connect Zapier to an AI agent using MCP, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create an MCP server in Zapier in just a few simple steps, so you can generate the code you need and use it inside your chosen AI tool. This is a super useful workflow if you want to automate tasks, connect apps, and make your AI setup much more powerful. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Zapier in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the Zapier dashboard, look at the navigation menu and find the MCP Servers option. This is the area where Zapier lets you create and can manage MCP server connections for AI tools. After you click MCP Servers, you'll be taken to the MCP Server Setup page. Here, you'll see a list of available AI agents or connection options. Go ahead and select the AI agent you want to use. This is an important step because the code Zapier generates will depend on the AI tool you choose. Once you select your AI agent, Zapier will automatically generate the MCP server code for you. This is the code that you'll copy and paste into the AI platform you selected. Make sure you copy it carefully because this is what connects Zapier to your AI workflow. Now open the AI tool or agent where you want to use the MCP server. Paste the generated code into the correct setup area, then save or confirm the connection. After that, your AI tool should be ready to work with Zapier through MCP, and that's really all there is to it. You've now created an MCP server in Zapier, selected an AI agent, generated the code, and connected it to your AI tool. It's a fast process, but it can unlock some very powerful automation possibilities. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.